Recent intelligence gathered by Chinese operatives has sent shockwaves through Beijing. Reports indicate that the United States military is in the final stages of developing a groundbreaking stealth fighter that could redefine the nature of future military conflicts. This technology represents a significant leap forward in military aviation systems and has the potential to disrupt the global balance of power. According to intelligence, American engineers are working on a next-generation fighter jet capable not only of evading existing radar systems, but also of employing active camouflage technologies. The secret of this development likely lies in a combination of advanced materials, optical technologies, and artificial intelligence. The new fighter is expected to become invisible to a wide range of sensors, including infrared cameras and electronic surveillance systems. Unlike current stealth fighters such as the F-35 and F-22, the new model may feature a dynamic camouflage system that adapts to its surroundings, rendering the aircraft virtually undetectable to all observation systems. These revelations have sparked significant concern within the Chinese government and armed forces. In Beijing, there is an understanding that such technology could radically alter the military landscape, giving the United States an unparalleled advantage in potential conflicts. A stealth fighter of this caliber would not only allow U.S. forces to conduct precision strikes with minimal risk, but would also complicate any defensive measures by adversaries. Chinese national security experts are already labeling the U.S. development a revolutionary threat. They warn that such technologies could dismantle the existing deterrence framework and provide the U.S. military with an undeniable edge in any direct confrontation. The Chinese government is actively discussing potential measures to counter this threat. Among the options being considered, accelerating domestic development. China already has ambitious plans for sixth-generation fighter jets such as the JXX project. However, the emergence of the new U.S. fighter could serve as a catalyst for speeding up work on comparable Chinese technologies. Special focus is being placed on developing countermeasures against stealth aircraft, including quantum radar systems and new types of sensors. Strengthening countermeasures. Alongside advanced aircraft development, China may prioritize technologies designed to detect and neutralize stealth capabilities, ensuring its defenses remain effective against this new threat. The introduction of an invisible fighter jet could profoundly alter not only the military balance between the US and China, but also the global security landscape. Other nations, including Russia, India, and the European Union, may intensify their efforts to develop similar technologies, potentially triggering a new arms race. On the other hand, these developments could push the international community to reevaluate its approach to regulating emerging weapon systems. The advent of such a powerful technology might prompt leading nations to enter a new phase of arms control negotiations. The invisible fighter jet is more than just a weapon. It is a symbol of technological superiority capable of reshaping the rules of engagement in future conflicts. For China, this intelligence serves as a call to action, to accelerate its own developments and devise strategies to counter emerging challenges. The only question is who will adapt first to the shifting landscape of modern warfare. Continuing the discussion on stealth aviation, it is impossible not to mention the American strategic bomber B-2 Spirit, which is rightly considered one of the most technologically advanced aircraft in the history of military aviation. Designed for strategic missions with stealth capabilities, this aircraft has become a key component of the U.S. Air Force and a symbol of global superiority. The B-2 Spirit was developed by Northrop Grumman under a program aimed at creating a stealth bomber capable of overcoming the sophisticated air defense systems of potential adversaries. The project began in the late 1970s, with the aircraft's maiden flight taking place in 1989. The bomber gained prominence due to its stealth technology, which makes it virtually invisible to radar. The primary goal of the project was to create an aircraft capable of penetrating deeply protected territories and delivering nuclear or conventional weapons to its target. Officially entering service in 1997, the B-2 has since been deployed in missions around the globe. It has been used in several U.S. military operations, including the 1999 bombings in Yugoslavia, the 2003 invasion of Iraq, and the 2011 campaign in Libya. The B-2 Spirit features a unique flying wing design that not only gives it a futuristic appearance, but also significantly reduces its radar signature. With a wingspan of 52.4 meters, a length of 21 meters, and a maximum speed of approximately 1,010 kilometers per hour, the bomber can travel up to 11,000 kilometers without refueling, or 19,000 kilometers with aerial refueling. It can carry up to 22 tons of weaponry, including nuclear bombs and precision-guided missiles, and requires a crew of just 2 pilots. The B-2's stealth capabilities rely on cutting-edge engineering. The flying wing shape effectively disperses radar signals, while the aircraft's radar-absorbing materials minimize the reflection of radar waves. The engines are concealed within the body, and the exhaust is cooled to reduce the aircraft's infrared signature. Additionally, the B-2 is equipped with signal suppression systems and decoys, making it nearly invisible to modern air defense systems. The B-2 Spirit is one of the most expensive aircraft in history. Each of the 21 units built cost approximately $2.1 billion, factoring in development and maintenance. This high cost makes the bomber a strategic asset, deployed only in the most critical missions. The emergence of the B-2 Spirit reshaped the military aviation landscape, setting new benchmarks for strategic bombers. China's efforts to match or surpass this capability reflect a new chapter in the global arms race, influencing military developments worldwide. The B-2 Spirit is not merely an aircraft but a symbol of an era where invisibility has become a new form of defense and offense. It stands as a testament to technological innovation and underscores the evolving dynamics of modern warfare. However, the Chinese are not willing to cede such an advantage to the Americans and already have a response to their challenge. The next-generation Chinese strategic bomber named Xi'an H-20 has become a symbol of China's ambitions to bolster its military strength and reshape the global balance of power. The development of this aircraft, inspired by the American B-2 Spirit, reflects Beijing's determination to create a weapon capable of competing with the world's finest strategic aviation and securing a decisive edge in future conflicts. Work on the H-20 began in the early 2000s. The project is led by the Chinese corporation Xi'an Aircraft Industrial Corporation, renowned for its strategic aircraft such as the H-6. The H-20 is intended to replace outdated models and become a core element of China's nuclear triad. Its concept is based on a flying wing design similar to the B-2 Spirit, minimizing radar detectability. The projected specifications of the H-20 are impressive: a wingspan of approximately 45 to 50 meters, a maximum flight range of up to 12,000 kilometers, and a payload capacity of up to 20 tons, including nuclear and hypersonic munitions. The aircraft will feature stealth technology, including radar-absorbing materials, infrared masking, and systems for suppressing radar signals. This will render the H-20 nearly invisible to modern air defense systems, enabling it to penetrate deeply protected enemy territories. The H-20 will play a central role in China's active deterrence strategy. Its ability to carry out long-range strikes while remaining undetected significantly enhances China's capacity for strategic operations. The bomber will pose a threat to American bases in the Asia-Pacific region, such as Guam and Japan, as well as to the facilities of U.S. allies. Despite these difficulties, the success of the H-20 could change the game. Possessing such an aircraft would provide China with strategic deterrence and bolster its standing on the international stage. However, it also raises risks for global security, as the arms race surrounding stealth technologies and strategic bombers intensifies.